Let us see an important method for square root using this formula. Square root for a 2-digit or 3-digit number, this is known as approximating square root method. Now how to use this? Square root of a number is equal to known square root minus known square minus unknown square upon 2 into known square root, from the site pioneermathematics.com. Now how to use this formula? Let us see. Vedic Mathematics, pioneermathematics.com. Method to square root. It is also known as approx method. Now any square root of a number is approximately equal to known square, near about that square, known square root minus known square minus unknown square upon 2 into known square. Now you will ask, sir, what is this, sir? How to use this? Let us see. Just wait and see how to use this formula. Very important and very good formula. For example, all of us know that square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 16 is 4. Now how to find square root of 15? Do we know? How to find the square root of 10? Do we know? How to find the square root of 28? Do we know? Now let us see how this formula is going to help us. Root of 15, first of all. What is the known square near about 15? That is 16. 4. Now according to the formula, known square root 4 minus known square, see this, known square, that is 16, minus unknown square 15, 2 into known square root, that is 4. It comes out to be 4 minus 1 upon 8, that is 4 minus 0.125. Now it's very easy for you to do this subtraction. The subtraction comes out to be 3.875. So what is the under root of 15? Under root of 15 is 3.875. And if we find this using calculator, this comes out to be 3.8729. Now what is the approximation up to 2 digit? The answer is same. So it's very good method using approximation method. Known square minus known square root minus known square minus unknown square upon 2 into this. Now let us see by applying on 10. What is the square root of 10? If we need to find the square root of 10, what is the nearest to this is 9. See this is a very important method. Now according to the formula, first of all what we have to put is known square root 3, right? It is 3 minus known square. What is known square? 9 minus unknown square 10 upon 2 into 3. See this, 3 minus, very careful, in this time 9 minus 10 will give us minus 1 upon 6. Comes out to be 3 plus 0. If we divide 1 by 6, comes out to be 166. So answer is 3.166. And if we use to find this by calculator, the calculator gives us the answer 3.162. Again there is an approximation of 2 digits approximately. Now see root 28 square root. Now how to get this? What is the known square root to this? Near about 25. The known square is 25. What is the under root of 25? 5. Now see, according to the formula, known square root 5 minus known square. What is known square? 25. What is unknown square root? 28 upon 2 into what is known square? 5. Now see how things comes out. Minus, it is minus 3 upon 10. So 5 plus 0.30. Answer is 5.30. Right? 5.30. Now what is the answer? Comes out from the calculator. From calculator it gives us 5.29 approximately. So this is the trick. Now you want to find, sir, 3-digit number, 4-digit. You can apply this trick to any number of digits. Now this is just trick 1, method 2. For numerous more tricks, you have to visit pioneermathematics.com. It is all available on the website, and in the section of Vedic Mathematics. Thank you, students.